Alright, so this is a spot by Gatorade called Made for This.
Yeah, we've come this far, but can we finish what we started? Do we have it in us? Can we get back at it?
Alright, so with the simple method, Gatorade is presented as a safe product, for athletes, and in this commercial especially, it's presented as a safe product for athletes to use to replenish while working out or doing any type of activity. It indulges. I think it can indulge the normal consumer by giving the feeling that even if you can use this same item to replenish yourself and do the things that these people are doing in this spot. And if you go back on in the M for maintenance or maintain, yeah, maintenance, it's pretty much showing different products so you can use them in multiple ways, not just in this shot right here. Like you can make it, a breakfast, use it in the morning, get a protein shake, or you can have a bar during the middle of the day, just to keep yourself going instead of it only being a drink. So they're introducing those other options. The actors, you got the guy in the beginning who's giving the speech. He's looking, he seems passionate about what he's talking about. He wants his teammates to, finish what they started, and his teammates look focused as well. And it for the performance. I mean, that, like I said, that the performance, they look believable. So uh, the looks, I mean, everything looks appeasing. Like that drink, it makes it look like it's amazing. Like especially after working out, like it's just hitting the spot just right. I mean, the shake, the bar, it just looks like it's appeasing. You know, and it also shows affordability with the economy. It shows that it's affordable. I mean, it's just average day people that has it. Is nobody that's too, up on the hierarchy. It shows just everyday athletes right now, and a lot of times student athletes don't even have money, so it shows that they can afford it.
Keep grinding. Because the second we think we've given everything, we're gonna give more. Because this is our moment. And we are. We are made for this. Whatever you're made for, Gatorade is made to fuel it.
Dante, what are you looking at?
So
Yeah, we've come.
So, for the pleasure part of the for the video, I mean, excuse me. For the pleasure, the people's interest. I mean, anybody interested in football, they just spark their interest automatically. So you got an interest in what it takes, or football players, they get an interest in it. Athletes get an interest in it. Um, the laughter, and it's not really a spot for laughter. It doesn't set that type of tone. Enlightenment. I mean, it enlightens you on so many different types of their products that you can get, especially in this one shot. And it's a one shot where they give you just a shot of all.
Because this is our moment. And we are. We are made for this.
Right here, they give you a shot of the tabs, the drinks, the bars, the organic, G2, so many different types of Gatorade that is available to you. They give you all those, so they enlighten you on those products. The allurement, I mean, you know, this, I guess it allures you into thinking that this could be you. I want to say, or this was you, and this is how you dealt with it, so you can relate. The sensation of Gatorade being able to do its job, I guess, quench your thirst and give you the energy that you need to continue to work out, even if you're tired. The uniqueness of it is the branding, but not the spot, I guess, because Gatorade is its own brand. So, I mean, it in itself is unique, but the spot, I mean, it's been done over in different ways before. This isn't the first type of football, energy drink spot that's ever been out. The rivalry is the choice of drink. So, I mean, I guess, they compete with Powerade just as an example. So, it's just showing, it's not stating any rivalry in the commercial, but it's kind of just understood if you know about it. But if you don't, it doesn't state a rivalry that it has with anybody else. But it just establishes itself as the drink of choice for football players. And the esteem is every athlete should have, every athlete or every football player, based off the spot, every football player should use Gatorade products, because that's what can get you through those long practices. I mean, even right here, you see these three guys, they're tired, and then they get, get a piece of Gatorade in all different types. That's what helps get these guys through. So that's about it on the spot. Just finish it.
Because this is our moment. And we are made for this. Whatever you're made for, Gatorade is made to fuel it.
So, like they say, whatever you're made for, Gatorade is made to fuel it, and that's just the message that is sent. No matter what it is, Gatorade is made to fuel it. The visuals for football players, but the overall picture were anything. So it doesn't matter what you're made for.